Just to introduce myself, my name's Lauren, and today we're going to be working on the tune Angeline the Baker, which is an old-time tune, and we're going to be focusing specifically on backing up, especially in the context of a jam session, because as fiddle players, a lot of the times we will play melody, but there are times where we won't, and we want to be able to give other instruments the chance to take solos, and you don't always want to just drop out when somebody's playing a solo, and you certainly wouldn't want to play melody along with them necessarily in most cases. So this will give you a new skill set to be able to participate in that way, just filling in a different role.
Right.
So I'll go ahead and play the tune for you. How do you guys know Angeline the Baker already? How many of you have played it before or familiar with it? Okay, awesome. Yeah, that'll make this a lot easier. And what we will do, as always, I'll go ahead and go over the tune. We'll just kind of break it down to review, just so that we can make sure that we're on the same page as far as the version of the tune that we're working on. But we're going to spend most of the time working on those chords and backing up and things like that. So here's the tune. All right, well, let's go ahead and start with this first phrase. So I'll go ahead and play it, and then just do your best to play it back to me. I'll be kind of approaching this from more of kind of a beginner standpoint of just kind of walking through the notes of the chords, where they are on the fiddle and things like that. So yeah, it should be really easy to follow in that sense. If you do have any questions, again, please let me know. Let me know if anything comes up along the way, and we can focus on different things as we go. But let's go ahead and start with this first chord. And also, the nice thing about this tune is we only have 2 chords that we're working with. Can anyone tell me what those 2 chords are? D and G, exactly. Yeah, George, you got it. Yep, so that's what we're working with today. Pretty simple. This is a very comfortable key for fiddle players, so these are just great chords to know in general as well. So let's go ahead and just start with this first chord. Simple D major chord, and again, if you don't already have the chord chart in front of you, now would be a great time to make sure you have that pulled up, and that way you're able to see what's happening as well as far as the notes on the staff. But we'll just go ahead and go through one string at a time. So let's start just by playing. Right. So let's see if we can start to put these together and take a look at how they are incorporated into this A part of Angeline the Baker. So make sure you have your sheet music in front of you so you're able to follow along. I'll do my best to call out the chord names as we go. But we're just going to start with this first method of playing the chord as a drone. So go ahead and find your D chord, make sure it's set. Good, and I will count us in. So we're just gonna do 1 bow per measure here. So here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. D. 1, 2, ready, go.